Hello, friends. Well, we are a bit late than what we had expected to start over due to some unforeseen circumstances. We are starting this live a bit late. There was a person. There was a person in USA who once said, "I have a dream," and millions started following his dream. Those millions just followed him for his dream. In India, there was a person with loincloth. He said, "I have a vision," and people followed that person. Why do people follow? Why do people follow people? Because they are great leaders, and those leaders are always an inspiration to people. But what it takes to be a leader? If you are standing somewhere and you see an accident has happened and you rush to help the person who is injured, and you ask for the ambulance, you call the ambulance, then at that time you are the leader. Leader is not anybody who is given a title of a leader. Leader is somebody who has a vision. The leader is a person who has a vision to do something, to achieve something, not only for himself, but for the society, for the people who are connected with him. In this situation, everybody has to be a leader. Sometimes you will have to take the lead. The basic issue is we are so much engrossed into the mediocrity that we are not able to focus on anything. Whether you are in a job, you are having midlife crisis, you are into middle management, you worked for some years in your job, you have reached to a level, you are into business, you reach to a level, you reach to a plateau. A plateau is a place in the mountain where there is the uphill starts. Everybody can reach at the plateau, but going beyond that takes an extra effort and extra guidance for everyone. Just to give push to that extra effort, to that extra guidance. We are starting a Facebook group from tomorrow. I'll be going live in those Facebook groups every week. I'll be connecting with people in those Facebook groups every week. And I will be sharing my learnings of my life. I'll be sharing as to how you can have a mindset of a winner, mindset of a leader, how you can go to the next level of your leadership, how you can achieve more into your life. Then at next level we go deep into the skill sets that require, because we stop learning at some point of time and we forget the skill sets. Even though we remember 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, whatever we have learned in our schools, in our nurseries, primary schools, whatever, we need to develop the test for the literature, because that ABC will be making you able to read everything, but it will not make you understand the literature. To understand that literature, you will have to learn the basics of the literature. Our problem is that after leaving the college, after leaving the education, graduation, even MBA, we are not learning practical skills. There are many practical skills that are required to build a life that is having a purpose. We will be working on that skill set. What will be the life of a leader? How does a leader live into his day-to-day life? How does a leader cultivate the ultimate form of leadership in every form, every wake of his life. That will be the next stop for that program, and the ultimate stop will be when a leader is actually free. Leadership freedom is the ultimate aim of every human being. It is not just about being on a job, being on a business every day. I bet if you ask 100 persons tomorrow morning on a square, on crossroads, you stop that person, 100 persons on stop roads, and you ask that person, what are you doing? Why are you doing your job? Why are you doing your business? I bet 99 out of 100 would not be able to answer that. Though my money would be on 100 out of 100, but though I am betting that maybe 1% people will be aware about their goals. 1% people will be aware as to why they are doing everything. For that, to share my years of learning, I will be creating a group on Facebook. I invite you all, whoever is looking to have a success, whoever is looking to move to the next step into the life, whoever is looking to go ahead into the life, whoever wants to have those skills that take you to the topmost place, that gives you all the success in your life, your health, wealth, money, your relationships, your family life, your own emotions, how to handle your emotions. All those things we'll be discussing in that group. And I'll be providing free consultation to at least 100 persons in person. That would be a one-to-one consultation, but it will be available only for the members of the group, and one member can have that consultation once only in the lifetime. We'll be completing those things in next 3 months. Our target would be that to cater 100 persons in next 3 months, we will be helping at least 100 persons free of cost to achieve their ultimate goals in life. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Amit Kumar Uparelia signing off for the day. Bye bye.